Welcome back, guys. Don't mind the mess here, I just moved. But I just want to make this quick video because I just got these ktech shocks in. Razor 3, I believe. No, actually, yeah, they are Razor 3. We're gonna do a little bit of unboxing and then slap them on real quick because I got a camping trip to go to. I'll post up a video about that later, and then I'll try to get some more footage about this. But let's take a look at these real quick. Actually, yeah, might as well. Got some spanner wrenches here. This ain't too bad, actually.
Awesome.
Pretty cool packaging. These are it right here. Look nice. Yeah, razor shocks. Had these luckily diverted over to my new place, so I was able to catch these. Or should I say they were able to get dropped off here in my new place where I just recently moved. These look pretty good. Very nice. I'm looking forward to installing these and getting a feel for them. Not a lot of people are using these, which is a surprise to me. A lot of them are using Progressive. I guess it's because it's more budget friendly, but I'm a sucker for, you get what you pay for kind of mentality. So I figured I up the ante and get these instead. The good thing about this is that I ordered these from Biohazard, but they directed their specs, or my specs should I say, to ktech themselves. I got an email saying that what was my weight, what height was I, what was my comfortability level, and I gave them all my numbers and what have you, and they pretty much adjusted these for me. They asked me also about the bike, what do I ride. So these essentially should be like a plug and play situation. If I need any adjustments, I guess I would do them through here. And also from the top right here, there's spanner wrenches. But we'll see what happens. I got a long ride ahead of me. Can't wait to try these out and see what they're made out of. Let's get this packaging out the way and get going. To remove the shocks is pretty much relatively simple. Just a simple 17mm socket or wrench, whatever you have available. That's 17, and you remove these two bolts over here. Alright, before I move on to replacing this, I always like to try to compare the size of the old part and the new part, just to get the warm and fuzzy that they're pretty much identical. The razor has more spring, or just about even. Overall, they're about the same size. Let's see what this thing can do. the torque spec is 55. All right, that's pretty much it. It was gonna be a quick video. I wish I could go more in depth with this, but I gotta get going. So this is pretty much the shocks. They look pretty damn awesome. They look promising, so time will tell once I get this long ride going. I probably will end up repainting this bike while I'm here. I just gotta find out a time to tackle it in a good place. But we'll see. If you guys got any recommendations or any advice on how to go about repainting the bike, let me know. I'm definitely open to suggestions and advice. But thank you guys for tuning in. I'll let you guys know how these shocks perform, and I'll have a video in the future, probably after I'm more settled into my new home. That way I can work comfortably in my office. Alright guys, I appreciate you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Buy me a cup of coffee. Show my channel some support, and you know, I'll stick around a little longer. I got other parts I want to show you guys. But until then, you know, have a good one. Cheers.